stupid wing. Just stay. Just stay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing the Easy Peasy series today, holiday edition. If you want to recreate the look, just keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys remember, a few days ago I did a poll on Instagram of what eyeliner look you guys wanted to see. Just a plain black eyeliner with a red lip, and then the other choice was the black eyeliner with a gold line as well, and the lip was more of a deeper red on that one. So I'm gonna show you how to do both. They're pretty similar. The only thing is one you add the gold line to it, and the other one you just leave it black, and the lips will change too. So I'll have two lip options for you. This is pretty easy. I'm gonna show you another way to do a wing liner since I've already done my other tutorial on how to do a wing liner. I'll link that one down below if you guys want to watch that one. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do it with some tape. So I'm just gonna grab a piece of tape, put it here on the back of my hand just a couple of times to take out the stickiness because you don't want it to pull on your eye. And just putting it there a few times. There you go. And so it's not as sticky, so it doesn't hurt on your face. And I'm just gonna line it there, if you guys see, with the end of the eyebrow. Go in with my gel liner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Blackest Black gel liner. Going in with the little one that comes with it. And just gonna start creating that wing. Now this is going to be the guide to where you want your wing to go. You can make a big wing, you can make a small wing, whatever works for you. And I'm gonna start here on the outer corner. Pull you in closer. So I just went out here, put it up against that tape there, and then I brought it in. You can make it as big as you want it to be, and it doesn't matter if it goes out of the on the tape because you're gonna take off the tape anyways. So you guys can see that is a pretty dramatic wing. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side here. So there are the wings. Now I'm not going to take it off yet. I'm going to do the gold one next. So if you just wanted to do the black liner, then this is it. You don't have to do anything else. I didn't put any eyeshadow here on the lid. The only thing I did was put the concealer like I always do, and then set the concealer just so that you don't see the lid, like the natural color of the lid. That's the only thing I did. And so I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Gold. And now I'm just going to put it outlining the line that we just did. So very carefully. This just going to take some time, but it's pretty easy once you get it down. You're going to just get it as close as you can to the line you just made. And then I'm just going to go over it one more time. And I'm going to do the same thing to this eye, obviously. If you guys see how that transferred up right now that I looked up, don't worry about it because you can just clean it off. Since we didn't put any eyeshadow in there, I'm going to let it dry though before I clean it off because I don't want the glitter to get all over the place. Okay, now that it's dry on this side, I'm going to go ahead and take that off with a makeup wipe so it doesn't stay in there. Just very carefully going in and taking it off. Then just with my Morphe sponge, I'm just gonna go back in through there and just set that down. And as you guys can see right here, the gold line did get messed up a little bit. Just to fix it, you can go back in with the glitter liner and we can fix it. There you go. And we're just gonna let it sit, let it dry. You can take these off now. And if you guys can see there, you have your sharp wing line. nice and clean, and you don't have to worry about doing anything else. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and I'll come back and we can do the lips. Okay, so I'm back with the foundation and concealer on. For foundation today, I just used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and for concealer, I used my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And now, so that the bottom doesn't stay just bare like that, I'm gonna go in with this jumbo eye pencil from NYX in the shade Yogurt, and it's a shiny beige color. And I'm just gonna go under here on my lower lash line and place that in my waterline here. And then underneath that, I'm gonna go in with a brown tone because I don't want it to be too harsh there. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here. This is from the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded palette, and going in with that brown right there. And then I'm just gonna place this on the outer edge here of my lower lash line. I'm not gonna bring that all the way in, just gonna leave it there, and I'm just dragging it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna go and do the face. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild bronzer, and this is in the shade Queensland, just to bring a little bit of color in the face. I'm not going to be using any blush today. I'm just going to go in with my highlight. This is the Morphe Highlight High Impact Highlighter in the shade Extra. I want my highlight to pop just a little bit today, so I'm going to spritz my brush after I put the product on the brush. Just a little bit there. And going to place it on the cheek. And I'm also going to put that highlight as a highlight here for my inner corner, just tabbing that in there. Now I'm going to take off my lip gloss I have on right now, and I'm going to give you the first lip option. So for the first lip option, I'm going to go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Kitten Heels, and it's just a red lip liner. This is going to be the one that was a little more red, like a Christmassy red. It wasn't that dark red. So I'll go in with that one after this one. I tend to overline this side a little bit more because I feel like my lip on this side is a little bit smaller. I don't know why. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in now with my Urban Decay lipstick. This is in the shade Bad Blood, and it's just a red Christmassy color. Alright, so this is the look finish with the bright red shade. It's more Christmassy if you want to use it for Christmas parties or even for Christmas. This is your classic Christmas look. And now I'm gonna go and do the other color. Okay, now we're back with bare lips again, and we are going to do the deeper red tone. So for that one, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip pencil. This is in the shade Auburn. It's a deeper red tone, and I'm going to outline with this one first, and then we'll go in with the lip products. And then to go in, I'm gonna go in with this Retro Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Carnivorous. You guys have seen me use this before. I love this lip color. One of my favorites. If you want to fix that, you know how sometimes it goes out like this, if you guys can see a little bit over here went out, you can just grab a small flat brush like this and go in with a concealer. Just grab a little bit of that concealer and fix it that way. And then I go back in with my pinky and just blend that over. And I'll do it here a little bit. And just blending it. Now to go over top of this one, I'm gonna use my Makeup Geek foiled lip gloss. This is in the shade Acoustic. I got this one from an Ipsy Glam Bag. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll leave the link down below as well for that video. And that's what gives it that nice metallic shade. I can't talk and put this on at the same time. Sorry guys. I really love the applicator on this. It's so easy to use. To set everything in place, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with the deeper toned red lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one you like the most. Comment down below, like and subscribe. We'll see you at my next one. Toodles! I'm gonna go in it. I'm gonna go